So we finally found parking. The parking was crazy today. There are a lot of people here. A lot of people. We saw a lot of people going to ski resort on the way to the village here, the Big Bear, the village. I guess you can call it downtown. But it didn't snow here for about a week, but there's still a lot of snow left here. I guess it's because of the high elevation. Yeah, there's still a lot of snow. And I'm sorry about not uploading lately. I got a new position at the job. I still work at the same place, but the new position has been super busy. So I've been working a lot of overtime. But it's finally good to go somewhere and then record videos. Today here we are at the Big Bear. We're currently at the village, the downtown part of the Big Bear. And we've been holding to go to the restroom for a long time. Let's go use the restroom first. Ben and Jerry ice cream place here. Last time we came here was maybe at least 5 years ago. Oh, I think we're going to the right place. Restroom. Gallery. Art gallery here. Okay, where's the restroom?
Here.
Huh? No, I'm talking about the public restroom. So we followed the restroom sign, but we couldn't find the restroom. So fortunately the Robin Hood Resort here, or Nottingham Resort and Tavern, had a restroom at the check-in area. So thank you Robin Hood Resort for letting us use the restroom. Let's go walk toward the lake over there. There's still a lot of snow here. Okay, Jed, let's go. So I guess we're back at the entrance of the village, the Big Bear Lake, California. So after we cross the street from the village entrance and Robin Hood resort, look, right next to the post office, public restroom. Oh, I remember this place, the Pine Marina. I think we parked here last time to go sledding here. Let's see. Oh, water was a lot lower. Remember last time the water was all the way down there? But because it's been raining a lot here, the lake water came all the way up to here, the walkway. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was all dry, and then there was a hill here. Last time there was a little hill, so kids were doing the snow, like sledding. I guess no sledding here today. Today is kind of warm, so the lake is not frozen today. But even though there's snow out here, no ice. A little snowman there. How much is one cup of corn? $10. $10? Oh, okay. Oh, it's kind of expensive. That looks warm. Barbecue? Go inside. Mountain Gifts, Big Bear Lake. Okay, it's a gift shop.
Oh, Aquarius.
Things with your names on it. And a lot of t-shirts.
Hold my hand, hold my hand.
And of course, a lot of bears. And strangely, a lot of Bigfoot here too. Oh, geodes. So when you open one of these geodes, it looks something like this, but just smaller. A lot of shirts. Huh. Show me which rock you're gonna buy. Okay. And that's one rock is 89 cents, right?
But with tax,
Yeah. Oh, what the hell? That's too much.
But it has something harmony, love, passion.
You can. So you wanna try this? Okay. Mom's getting the quarters. Which design are you doing? The Bigfoot?
아줌마가 더 좋어요.
Oh, that's nice.
셀렉트 더 이미지.
You did already.
아줌마가 이거 한 대니까 더 좋거든요.
Oh, she gave us a few more cents. Okay. Let me see you do it. Now, push that in. Okay. And now, get to work. Okay, watch your head. Okay, let me see. Hey, that looks cool.
it turned out perfectly.
Hey, nice. Okay, so this store is in cross street of Pine Knot Avenue and Village Drive. Yeah, they had a lot of good stuff for little kids. Called Mountain Gifts. Yeah, nice store. Yeah, look at this house.
Still Christmas.
Looks like Santa's house, right? I guess they're in this house. It's Christmas all year. It always feels so nice to step on the snow. Since we live in San Diego, we almost never see the snow unless we drive at least for like an hour and a half and go up on the mountains. Looks like somebody was trying to make a snowman and got exploded. Are you trying to make a snowman?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
This is the one that someone was trying to build.
Okay.
The next day.
We were hoping snow, but I guess it's not cold enough here yet. So it's raining. Still looks beautiful though. It would have been better if it was snow. So at this place, Deep Creek Hotel, they serve free pancakes and coffee in the morning. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's here. Hey, good morning. Can I get some coffee and pancake? Yeah. Okay. So they got this cool pancake machine. So I just wave my hand. They're gonna make 2 pancakes. Guess cook like that. Nice. Okay. So it's 2 pancakes per wave. Going back to our room with the fresh made pancakes. Some people are leaving early. How's the pancake?
So good.
Not bad for a free pancake, right?
Yeah. I like this.
And what about the coffee?
Yeah, coffee is so good too.
Coffee is good too? Okay. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty good. Even half. Oh yeah, pretty good. And since it's cold outside, it's a good day to have a hot soup with some noodles. So we brought some Korean instant noodles. So together with kimchi here. Oh, careful. How does it taste? Good?